Hey guys, I'm Travis from Boundary, and today we're going to be doing a stress test between the OEM gear and the Boundary billet. So what I've got set up for you is I've got a FUTEC force meter here on the right, and then I've got a press on the left. So I'm just going to slowly apply pressure until we get failure. All right, and there it is. So you can see on the OEM gear, we get a catastrophic failure. We get the pieces actually snapping apart and they fall right off the table. So it looks like we registered 405 pounds on that gear before it fell apart. All right, now on to the Boundary billet. So with the Boundary billet, this is made out of billet steel. It's not made out of powder like the OEM. The OEM is basically like a casting process, whereas Boundary's producing like straight from the foundry billet steel. So here we got the FUTEC meter reset. We're going to start applying some force. Okay, already over the brake, 900,000, 1,300, 1,400 pounds. And we can see that that gear, whenever it's giving in, it's actually just bending and then resetting. And that's exactly the difference between billet and OEM. Even if our gear hits a failure point, it's not going to shatter. That means you have time to shut the engine down. So at last year, we got a side-by-side just to show you. We've got OEM on the left, Boundary on the right, and there's the brake.